thought it was absolutely amazing. I was completely inspired and in awe of the way that the actors used their voices, and the phrasing was fantastic. The atmosphere was absolutely incredible. I know some people might think 3 hours is quite a long time, but it really didn't feel like it at all. I would highly recommend it. It's fabulous.
I thought it was really excellent. I thought the people who took part did their roles really well. It was excellent. We were really pleased. And the schools obviously enjoyed it too.
I thought it was great. I thought the actors and the actresses were really good. I definitely come back and watch it again.
I thought it was brilliantly executed and very, very disturbing, the message of the play itself, but superbly done, and I shall be thinking about it quite a lot because I found it really, really powerful.
It was excellent. It was excellent. It's a play where you haven't finished when you go home, and I like the set. I thought the set was used really well, very atmospheric.
I thought the staging was wonderful, and I enjoyed all the actors. You know, they were all excellent. I really felt like I was being sort of carried along with it. So well done, everybody.
I think it was absolutely amazing. The actors were absolutely fantastic. I really enjoyed the show. I'd definitely see it again.